So a common message I'm taking out through all of my business partner colleagues and out to the customers beyond, after all, is some of the things that we can now do with IBMI, linking them with the new current technologies. So we've already had demonstrated from our IBM Montpellier labs the ability to link the kind of world of Watson Assistant through using elements such as Node-RED, which can be shown, and we've already demonstrated, running natively inside of the IBMI operating system. We can link all these different elements, which are really cutting edge, but also open source technology, to be able to evolve into brand new ways of working with what has always been such a high quality system in the first place. So this kind of process of being able to solve simple problems such as passwords needing to be reset without needing to bother the system administrator is maybe an ideal first step. Very, very low cost. You don't really start incurring charges with Watson Assistant until you start moving millions of characters through these kind of works. So it can be very, very low cost, running natively inside of your IBMI box. And then once you've begun that process, once you've shown you can solve simple business problems, you can begin to then interact with your IBMI data in brand new and interesting ways. After all, you might not have a particularly positive image in your head when you think about a chatbot, but you can begin to use this to be able to actually pull back full queries of the database, be able to potentially get a full analysis out of systems by asking it very natural human interaction questions. And that kind of natural human interaction, maybe through phones, maybe simply through apps on web pages, can be the sort of thing that can transform the image and view of what IBMI could be. If you see the green on black text, we know it's been brilliant, we know what it can do, we know it can run really, really fast, but it has that ability to potentially to set an expectation that is no longer necessarily realistic. We can work with far more cutting edge kind of worlds using Watson technology and be able to present even all the way through to digital humans and digital faces put on top of those Watson Assistant pieces to have a natural language conversation with your IBMI. And that's the sort of thing we can do today, and I'd love to see more of it taking place.